All right, we're going back to Italy and we're going to a white wine called Vernaccia. Welcome back for day 20 of the Wine Advent Calendar from Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. I haven't said that in a while. And in this day 20, we're in Italy. We're in Vernaccia. It's a white grape that's native to Italy, native to Tuscany. And um, really, if you see Vernaccia di San Gimigiano, you're going to want to pick up the white wines because they're just a lot of fun. No fuss here. Light to medium body, no tannins to speak of, medium to high acid, just a really lovely fruit profile, lemons, apples, pears, along with a nuttiness, right? Again, not the crazy nuttiness like I mentioned on one of the videos before, but the sort of an almond nutty note. Really nice, really nice. Like I said, Italy, San Gimignano, mainly where you're going to see Vernaccia come out. I don't recall ever seeing Vernaccia outside of this region, Tuscany. And one to look out for is La Lastra, Vernaccia di San Gimignano. Like I said, these wines are no fuss, really easy to drink, lovely as an aperitif or with some, just any sort of appetizers. Just serve a Vernaccia and you'll be in good shape. That's all I have for you today. We'll be back tomorrow for day 21. We're almost at the end, almost Christmas time. Talk to you guys soon.